Hi guys, Jasmine here with Exotic Window Tint, and right behind me we have a 2024 Land Rover Defender. So this is the customer's second time around with us, and what we will be doing is window tinting to the front windshield, front two windows to match those factory glass in the rear. We're also going to be protecting the front end of the vehicle with paint protection film. This is to protect the paint from anything like rock chips occurring. So this Defender will be protected whenever on the road from things like road debris and rock chips. The cool thing about paint protection film is it is actually self-healing. So if it ends up being marred or lightly scratched, the heat from the sun can easily repair it. Once the paint protection film is completed, we will be sealing everything in with a ceramic coating. When it comes down to a beautiful color like this black, we both know that it can be a little difficult to maintain and protect. So, in the future, if you're looking to get a ceramic coating or paint protection films onto your vehicle, consider Exotic Window Tint.